Good day, I am student of Western Philippines University. This video show a warm-up routine and water safety techniques for swimming done on dry land. First one is start with a warm-up routine to prepare my body. March or jogging in place, arm swing, and shoulder rotations. I keep proper posture and breathe normally also. Next one is dynamic stretching. So stretching to avoid injury, leg swings, and also the second one is the torso twist, and the third one is ankle rotations. Swimming preparation. Arm circle is the first one, and the second one is the streamline position or overhead. And the third one is, this is very important, the breathing practice. Part 2 water entry and exit, set and slide entry. This is a safe set and slide entry. Set on the edge, hands on the side, and slowly lower the body. And also ladder exists. This is the ladder exit. Pace the ladder, step up slowly, and use hand and feet. Okay, part 3 safety knowledge. Always walk near the pool and follow the lifeguard and never swim alone. That is very important. And also, swimming is important for fitness and safety. And thank you for watching.